Hi everybody, it's Vicky, and I'm here with another unboxing. It's a new subscription to me. It's the Kinder Beauty Box. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so this is new to me, so I guess it's like vegan, cruelty-free, stuff like that. So this one's something different. Try something different. Okay, so Kinder, there's the card, and then it shows you everything you got in the box. Okay, so we'll just get started, okay? First thing is in here, let's see. Eyeshadow by Han Skincare Cosmetics. Okay, so here, let me show you what it looks like. Sorry. Okay. What are you doing, Bailey? Okay. And then it's either in the color Romance or Decadent, and I got, I got Charming. Okay. That's mine. Okay. Next thing is, let's see. I think this is the Cella lipstick pencil, and I got it in, oh geez. Well, let's just open it, shall we? Tell you what it is. Bailey. Oh boy. Oh, there he goes. Getting into trouble again because he's a cat. Not sure. No, I think that's Rose. Oops. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm not mistaken. Oh, jeez. Sorry about that if you guys hear that. That's Bailey being a brat, because that's what he is. He's my baby, right? Anyway. Okay. Next, we got, let's see, a dual-ended eyebrow brush. This is what it looks like. Okay. And that is by 100% Pure. Next, we got a natural and organic eyeliner. Next, actually, this is the last thing. I got a, what are you? Eyebrow pencil, light brown, I think. But I don't know, because I can't see how tiny writing. Bailey, what are you doing, little man? Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's an okay box. I mean, hey, organic and everything else. So I really like the eyeshadow. That's a pretty color. So yeah. So if you could do me a favor and hit subscribe, if you haven't already, hit the like button and hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. And that is all. And Bailey, are you done? Anyway, have a good night, everybody. Bye. Mwah.